Jang, and I am a part of Clarksville Youth Care Group. We are currently making DIY face shields for medical professionals and healthcare workers working on the front line to help patients with COVID-19. So first, we're going to need some materials. We will need a plastic sheet, stickers, foam, a rubber band, stapler, and a ruler. Not necessary, but it would be helpful. And a hot glue gun. So we're going to take our plastic sheet, and first what we have to do, we've already done, is cut off about 2 inches of the covering of the film on both sides. And after you're done with that, just make sure to take a wet wipe and wipe it down, make sure it's clean on both sides. And then take a tissue and just dry it off. Then we're going to take the side with the covering with the wording, and we're going to put our sticker and our film on. So now we're going to take our sticker and we're going to put the sticker on the foam. But in order to make sure that the sticker doesn't fall off, because we don't want that to happen, we're going to hot glue our sticker to the foam. So take your hot glue gun and just put some hot glue in the middle of the foam. And then, hot glue. And then stick your sticker to the foam. And then press it down. But I don't want to burn myself, so we're going to use the roller to press it down. After that, we need to stick our foam to the plastic sheet. So, first have to line it up, make sure that the foam is in the middle, so take your ruler and just measure it out and make sure you put it in the right place. Okay, now we're going to hot glue the foam to the plastic sheet. And again, make sure it goes in the middle and at the top. And then press it down. After that part is done, it should look like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our rubber band and we're going to staple it to our plastic sheet and what we've done so far. So what you have to do is you have to fold back part of it, to staple it down. And when you fold it, make sure it's about 1/2 inch, at max 3/4 of an inch. So let's fold it down. Let me measure just to make sure. Fold it down, and you're going to do it on both sides, of course. And put it to the edge of the plastic sheet, and we're going to take our handy dandy stapler and we're going to staple it down. Okay, so you're going to staple it on both sides, of course, and you're going to staple it twice on both sides. So at the end, you will have 4 staples, and your finished product, almost finished product, should look like this. So 2 staples on each side. But the problem is, there's still these sharp edges at the front, right? And we want to prevent, medical professionals from harming themselves when wearing these. So as our last step, we're just going to tape these edges down just to make sure that no one gets harmed when wearing it. So take some clear tape and just tape down these staples. And after you're done taping, we are done. This is the finished product.